In this brief video, I wanted to cover all the integrations that are available in browse.ai. From the Integrate tab of any of your robots, you can see the following, and I'll go through them in this order. Google Sheets and Airtable are pretty similar. I'll cover those first. Webhooks and REST API, I'll go with next. And finally, Zapier, Make, Integrately, and Pabbly Connect. I'll start with Google Sheets. You'll begin by connecting your Google account, followed by choosing either an existing spreadsheet or creating a new one, and then choosing which data from your robot you'd like to send to which column in your Google Sheets. You can also choose to only sync changes if you'd like. In addition to this, we've also got a Google Sheets add-on available in the Google Workspace Marketplace, and it looks a little something like this. You'll click Extensions and then Browse AI for Sheets, and you'll be able to run various robots in your account, refresh the robots, create a new robot, check out experimental features, and these couple of admin-only features as well. Next, we've got Airtable, which is very similar to Google Sheets. You connect your account, choose the base you'd like to send data to, choose the data you'd like to send, and which fields you'd like to send that data to in Airtable. Next, we've got Webhooks. You can set per robot a webhook URL right here that you'd like to send data to when one of these following things happens. Task is finished, finished successfully, finished with an error, etc. Browse.ai's REST API gives you all sorts of endpoints that you can interact with via your application. Robots, tasks, monitors, webhooks, bulk runs, etc. Let's jump into Zapier, but I first wanted to show the webhooks trigger that you can copy this URL and then use right here in Browse.ai. The reason you might want to do that is because you can trigger multiple webhooks at once with a single URL. So that will be an alternative to this trigger, for example. Execute a task. Zapier also has these two actions, bulk run a task, execute a task. Similarly, Make has this trigger and these two actions. Making an API call could work well with the REST API. With Integrately, the trigger uses a webhook. It's not a native integration, so you'd use the webhook feature we just covered. And they've got these three actions: execute task, bulk run a task, and update a task monitor. And finally, we have Pabbly. The trigger is execute a task, and they have two actions: bulk run tasks and execute a task. And that covers all the integrations available with Browse.ai. We did not cover workflows or AWS. We may do so in future videos, as well as detailed deep dives on all the integrations on the screen. Join us for the next one.